Now we are discussing about online services, online business, that is sell your digital creations online. Digital products like music, courses, ebooks and templates are unique on this list of ideas. Unlike the others, they are not tangible products. As a result, there are not recurring manufacturing or shipping costs to worry about, so your margins remain high. The trick is figuring out what makes for a good digital product. The answers range from original instrumental beats to stock photos that can be licensed to other creators, to information products and templates that help people level up their skills in a particular field. Even books, cookbooks, picture books, comic books, poetry books, photo books, coffee table books, and novels. If you have got the knowledge of the creativity, there are a variety of original books you can bring to the market. Launching your own book can be a great way to monetize a blog if you have one or looking to start one. You can consider pre-selling or crowdfunding your book idea to ensure that there is demand and guarantee a certain number of customers for a bulk order. Check out the multiple crowdfunding platforms available. If you are artistically licensed or know how your way around a camera, you can dropship using a print on demand business model to let others physically own a piece of your work. Just be sure you have the rights to the content you want to print, unless you are using public domain assets that you can freely monetize. If you are already got an engaged online following, so you are a cartoonist or an urban photographer, you are in an especially good position to give this business idea a try. If you have got a talent that can be turned into a digital product, you can think about packaging it into a new system, new stream of income. Shopify offers a free digital downloads app that lets you offer digital products in your store as easily as physical products. This is the information regarding sell your digital creations online. It is also a very creative business, and if your creative digital creations are very good, you will get very good income. Wishing you all the best.